Alright, this is Module 4, Lesson 6, Homework Help, 5th grade. The objective is I will relate fractions as division to fractions of a set. Now I'm not going to show you any work because I haven't done the work yet in class. So here we go. Find the value of each of the following. So if you look here, I have 16. There's 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. There are 16 total hearts. 1/4 of that is right here. So 1/4 of 16 is 4. Alright, now in order to get this next one, it's 1/4. Hopefully you see that 3/4 is the same as, so it's 1/4 of 16 plus 1/4 of 16 plus 1/4 of 16. Hopefully you see that that would be 4, 4, and 4, so that would be 12. You can also see it here as 3/4. Okay? You don't need to show this part. Hopefully you see that all you have to do is 4 times 3. You're getting the 4 from this one. Okay, so let's look at a word problem. Out of 18 cookies, 2/3 are chocolate chip. How many of the cookies are chocolate chip? Okay, so again, we have a set of 18 cookies. All right, let me draw my cookies. Let me draw them in a set of 3. Give me a little bit easier. So there's 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 12, 15, 18. Okay. So now it wants me to put them into thirds. Now I already did put them in thirds. This time I put them in thirds this way. 1/3. 2/3, 3/3. All right. So we have 2/3 of 18 is equal to, well, that would be 2/3 right here. So that would be 12. Okay. Alright, I could have done it another way. I could have split them up another way. You would have seen it's the same thing. I could have gone the other way. I don't want to do it right here because if I do that, then you might get confused. But that was one way of doing it. You don't always have to do it the way they did it in number 1, as long as you group them. Let's take a look at another one. This is on the homework, but you don't have to do this one. I just wanted to show you how to do this one. How does knowing 1/5 of 10 help you find 3/5 of 10? Draw a picture to explain. Okay, so we have 10 in groups of 5. Okay, if I know that this is this section here is 1/5. Yeah, so that's 1/5 of 10. Then that means my answer is 2. Okay? 1/5 is 1/5 times 3 is equal to 3/5. Therefore, if I multiply this by 3, I get 6, which is equal to, let me do that again. I don't want to do that right there. So I'm going to change this into a blue 3, so you know where I'm getting it from. If 1/5 times 3 equals 3/5, then 2 times 3 will give me 6, which is 3/5 of 10. Okay, so that's 3/5 would be right here. Okay, so hopefully that helps you. It's looking at the sets. I drew 10 as my set, and I divided them into groups of 5, and that's the way I found 1/5. Okay, so here's this, where I got this from, and then I got this from here. Because I knew this one, I could take it and multiply it times 3. Okay, so I didn't write any words, but at least my pictures show it and my multiplication shows it. So 1/5 of 10 equals 2, and if 1/5 times 3 equals 3/5, then 3/5 of 10 is 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Alright? Alright, so that's our help for the day. I'm not going to write the word of the day, but I will tell you the word of the day. Please make sure that you write it down. And the word of the day is, I lost it. What was it going to do? Water bottle. I'll do water bottle. Okay? Water bottle. Oh, I remember what it was supposed to be. Anyway, water bottle. May the force be with you.